what's up everyone? Welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial is about how to set up Passkey, how we can use a Binance calculator, and also how we can obtain BNB discount. And I'll show you all step by step. So stay tuned, this will be an interesting video, and I hope you will learn a lot from it. But before we get started, please use my referral code when you sign up for your Binance account. If you use my referral code T7J9MB5J, and you can see it on the screen as well, and I'll put the link down below. So let's get into it now. Here's how to add passkeys on Binance app. So the first thing you want to do is open your Binance account. Now click on the Binance icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click the arrow in your profile. Click your profile right here, select security, and as you can see right here, the passkey is the very first option. So let's click on the ADD passkey. Then Binance will send you an email verification code. So just enter the code that Binance will email you. Click on continue, and from here you can choose a device for your passkey. For example, you can use the NFC security key, USB security key, or use a different phone or tablet, or simply this device. Now you need to verify your PIN. There, you have it. Now, let me tell you what the Binance Features Calculator is mainly used for. The Binance Features Calculator is a tool on the Futures page that allows you to calculate for some different outcomes before or after you take your trade. As you can see, it can be used to calculate your PNL, which is your profit and loss. It can be used to calculate your target price, which is why you take profit, and also be used to calculate your liquidation price, and can also be used to calculate your max open, which is the maximum amount of money you can use to open a trade, and also it can be used to calculate your open price. Open price means the average price for different positions. The futures page here to where you have derivatives and you click on USDT futures. As you can see here, you have this calculator icon at the top right corner of the screen. So once you click on it, the futures calculator will pop up on the screen. You click here to where you have futures, and you click on it. Once you go to the top right corner of the screen, where you have the +/equal to sign and click it. Once you do that, it will take you to the futures calculator page, as you can see on the screen. So now, how to use a Binance futures calculator? Let's calculate your PNL, which is your profit and loss. Let's say, for example, you want to calculate the profit you make. Then you make a trade at a particular entry price and your profit at a certain exit price. To calculate the profit, this is what you have to do. First, you have to select whether you are longing or shorting. So let's pick long, for example. And next, select your leverage, whether you want it at 20AX, 30X, or 50X, or whatever leverage you want to choose right here, and enter your entry price. So let's say you want to trade at 18,900, then your exit price means why you want to take your profit. So let's say you want to make it 19,500 USDT, and then right here, you enter the quantity 2,000, which is your leverage multiplied by the cost, 20, which is your leverage, times 100, your cost. So once you've entered these three details, go ahead and click on Calculate. As you can see here on the right side, there are three results. First, the initial margin, which the cost is 99.23 USDT, and the PNL is 63 USDT. So that means your profit will be 63 USDT, while your ROE is 63. What it means is, if you make this trade, you'll be making 63% profit, and the amount of profit you'll be making is 63 USDT. So that's how you do the calculation. So now, let's see about BNB discounts. Now let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the web page right here, a little section that says Fees. If you click it, it will generate a new page. Now let's start trading fees with their trading fees. They charge a flat point of 1% for all trading transactions, buy and sell, some of the lower fees in the industry, but they have an additional feature that actually allows you to save money on these transaction fees. If you choose to use the Buy Binance coin to pay those fees, you simply have to hold the finance coin and select to use it. Now, for the first year, you'll save 50% on all transaction fees, and it does decrease from there. So we'll just go ahead and click the details, And you'll see here, the first year, you're going to get 50% off on all your transaction fees. And then it'll decrease year by year until the 5th year. There'll be no more discount. If you use the Buy Binance coin to pay for your fees, quite simple. First thing, you need to go into the exchange and purchase at least one finance coin, and you need to hold some finance coin in your balance on the finance exchange. Next, you have to go to your account portal, and there you'll see Account Portal, where it says using BNB to pay for fees at a 25% discount. Now, this must be turned on to the green if you own Binance coin, and it saves you money on your transaction fees. Now, they do not charge a fee for fees depositing money or coins on the exchanges. So when you send money in, there's no fee, but there will be a fee for withdrawals, and the amount varies from coin to coin. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up or be a member by subscribing to our channel, where we can learn so much every week. Now, before I go, if you use my referral code T7J9MB5J when you sign into the Binance account, you can see it here on the screen as well. Or I will put the line down below, so just go there and continue your registration. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on the next one.